Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cook Hub. So today I'm going to show you how to make crispy bite-sized mini samosas, which is perfect for tea time and parties. So now let's get started. First, let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of Maida, salt to taste, add 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain or Carom seeds. Just crush it a little with your fingers. Now give it a mix. Once you give it a mix, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and again give it a mix with your fingers until crumbly. Once the mixture looks crumbly to you, you can gradually start adding water and knead it into a stiff dough. Just grease it with some oil and cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now, while the dough is resting, let us quickly make spicy onion stuffing. For that, I am taking 2 roughly chopped medium-sized onions. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 roughly chopped onions. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add salt to taste, Amchur powder half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder, half teaspoon of Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of Chaat masala. After adding all these spices, give it a mix and let it saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now, after 3 to 4 minutes, add around 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan to this onion mixture. This will help to absorb the moisture. Mix everything well and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Now let this mixture cool completely. Knead the dough again for about a minute. Divide the dough into small lemon-sized balls. Roll the ball into a small circle. Now cut it into 4. Take a portion, roll it again. Add 1 spoonful of onion mixture. Then seal the edges tightly by applying water, making it out into a samosa shape. Repeat the process with the rest and cover it with a damp cloth. For frying, heat the oil on medium flame. Gently slide in the mini samosas in small batches. Fry them on low to medium heat until golden brown and crispy. Our mini samosas are now ready to be served with green chutney or ketchup. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Cook Hub.